Welcome to English Lanka. Through this video, you can learn phrases relevant to the classroom language. All of these sentences exchange among students and teachers in day-to-day school life. Now let's move to our slides. Can you speak louder please? Can we pack our things now? Madam, please can you repeat again? May I join with this team? I have done this assignment. I'm sorry, I didn't hear. May I go out, please? Hang on a moment. Don't let it happen again. We started 10 minutes ago. Now let's turn to our next lesson. Who is absent today? Who isn't here today? Why were you absent last Monday? Back to your places. Stay here for a moment. I'm waiting for you to be quiet. Put your books away. I think we can start now. Is everybody ready to start? Stop talking and be quiet. Prepare the next chapter for Tuesday. There is no homework today. Where's the piece of chalk? Can I come in? Can you explain it once more, please? Can you answer the question? Is this right? What's your opinion about this matter? What page are we on? Sorry for being late. I'm ready. May I start? May I open the window? Which book? Can I pull down the blinds? Do you fill the blanks? The last year of the school was very boring. You can get your break now. I have to inform to your parents about this matter. It's not relevant to our subject matters. So these are the classroom phrases. Thank you everyone for watching. If you learned something in this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.